What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Low Key, and I'm back with another video. I'm coming on here looking busted, crusted, and disgusted, barefaced, finna catch a case because I just could not wait a minute longer to tell you guys about this hair that I have been wearing. If I ever need hair in my head, like Johan's Virgin hair is going to be my go-to. Like, y'all, right now I have the hair braided up because when I go to sleep at night I either flexi rod it or braid it. I'm gonna take it out later and I'm gonna do a little demo video for y'all with it in just so you can see it. But I'm wearing 3 bundles of the Kinky Straight texture in the lengths 20, 22, and 24. And yes, I did buy this with my own money, not a sponsored video, none of that. But I mean, tell Johan, give me a code. I've had this hair for about 6 months now and I've done about 4 installs with it. So I feel like I'm able to come on here and give y'all a real nitty-gritty honest review on how everything has held up. So far, every time I've done an install with this hair, I have had some type of leave out. And when I tell y'all, my hair blends so well with this hair. I really could not believe it. Like, I have never found hair that truly matched my texture and gave me length, because I've tried things like better length clip-ins and, you know, the curly, like real kinky textures that give you more so that afro kind of natural twist out, that vibe. But as far as like long bundles, like Betty B, Bobby Ting, Gang Body B, like as far as bundles, I have never found a texture that matched my hair. The thing about the Kinky Straight is that it's not silky at all. The hair has texture to it to where it will mimic blown out natural hair. And when I say natural, I'm talking anywhere from maybe a 3C to a 4C hair texture. Now obviously if your curl pattern is looser than that, then it's gonna be amazing. The looser your curl pattern is, the easier. But as far as if you're between a 3C curl pattern and a 4C curl pattern, this hair can still work for you. I personally have a 4C kinky curly hair texture, one of the hardest hair textures to deal with as far as blending and styling. Okay, some of the pros that I have for this hair is definitely, like I've been talking about, the texture, the manageability, the blendability. Is that a word? Is that a word, blendability? I hope that's a word, but if it's not, it's a word in Low Key's world, okay? And we here. That is the biggest pro that I have found with this hair, is just the fact that it's mine. Like, it's really mine. When you see it, you really can't tell the difference. Another thing is that this hair does not shed. I have worn hair for years and years and years, and I have always experienced some type of shedding. With this hair, you guys, it don't shed. Also, when it comes to shedding, you have to take care of your hair. So I do keep this hair well moisturized. I deep condition my natural hair every week. That is another thing when it comes to shedding. With any hair company, really, if you're experiencing a lot of shedding, you might be doing something wrong. Like, you might not be taking care of your hair. One thing I've learned on this hair journey is you cannot just put your hair in and leave it alone. Like, no, you have to do the work if you want the hair to work for you. The next thing is that it does take color really well. So when I got this hair, I wanted it to match my natural hair perfectly, so I just went ahead and dyed my leave out jet black and I dyed the hair jet black just so everything matched up perfectly. It came in like a natural 1B color, but my natural hair color is just weird and I just wanted it to be completely seamless. The next pro I have for this hair is that it is super soft, you guys, like butter soft. For instance, look at this, you guys. So it's coming out of the braid because it's literally falling like butter. Like when you cut into like a steak or something and the knife just go and then you just know when you put that piece of steak in your mouth, it's just gonna be an effortless bite and chew. That's what it's giving, y'all. You can see, like, if I was to sit here and shake it, it's falling out. It's falling off the bottom. It's falling off the bone, y'all. Off the bone. Now I do gotta braid this back up because girl, I'm trying to be a little crinkly today, and what y'all not finna do is take my crinkles away just for the sake of this video. That's what's not finna happen. My next pro for this hair is the kinky straight texture of it. I know I kind of talked about this already, but if you have 4C hair, when you straighten your hair is never going to get silky straight. If you had an amazing stylist and your stylist silk pressed your hair and everything, I bet you the next day or so you're gonna start to see some crinkles, some texture on your hair, because our hair is just naturally that curly, and this hair does just that. It really does mimic how your natural hair would move if you have that 4B, 4C kind of texture. And I love that because that allows it to always look natural. And you'll see in my demo today, I'll make sure to get close-up video footage of what I'm talking about. That leads us into the cons of this hair. Because it is mimicking how curlier natural hair would be when it's straightened, it does not hold styles as well. It will not hold a curl to save its life, honey. It just won't. The hair curls beautifully, and I can insert some pictures of that. It curls beautifully, and it'll last throughout the day, but that's it. That's it. After that, it's gonna drop and fall right back to its natural state. What I like to do to kind of counteract that is I always wrap my hair at night. If I know I want to have curls for the whole week, every single night I'm gonna put some type of flexi rods in my hair or braid it up like this. I just find flexi rods and braids are the easiest for me. So I can say, like, if you're looking for hair that's really gonna hold a curl, you're gonna have to do some extra effort to keep your curls with this hair. The next thing is the straightening part as well. So if you want your hair bone silky straight, like this is not going to give you that. Now you can press it, you can silk it, you can have your stylist do as much as they possibly can, and it will last a little while if you take care of it. But naturally, the hair, as the humidity hits it and everything, is going to start to fall back to that regular pattern. I love it because I've started to wear my leave out again. So when my hair kind of starts to poof and move or whatever, my bundles do the same thing with it, so then I end up just still looking amazing. Like, so those are the only two real cons I can say about this hair. And to me, it's not really a con because I am the type of person that likes to take care of my hair. I will do what I gotta do to make it good. I will deep condition every week. I do my hair all the time, so it doesn't really bother me to take the extra step to do what I need to do. But I know some people just want hair that's gonna just, if you put some curls in, it's gonna hold that curl. It's not gonna drop. Like, if you straighten it, it's gonna be straight. That is pretty much my pros and cons of the hair. I'm gonna be rocking this and using this hair for a while. If there are other hair companies that y'all think that I should try, or y'all think that is top tier like Johan's Virgin Hair, let me know in the comments. Drop it down below. I'll definitely love to give it a try. But so far, you guys, Johan's Virgin Hair for the win when it comes to their kinky straight bundles. If you guys want to see this hair in action, please stick around because I'm going to do a demo. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.